Zillow did a survey looking at the best low-cost home improvements for resale of your home recently. The number one thing, we want to take a guess real quick. I'm going to go quickly here, guys. Let's start with Lee. Number one thing to improve the value of your home.
Paint it.
Paint it. Randy.
Add a deck.
Greg.
Yeah, I hate this one. I'm only going garage because historically that's been on the list, but I don't believe it.
Lee nailed it. It's paint your interior. Harris Poll found 40% of recent sellers paint their home's interior before selling. Nearly 30% said the project helped them sell the home.
And that was to sell the home, not for value.
Well, it will help you to sell, but of course you're getting more money if you sell quickly because it's new on the market.
Well, the perceived value, I believe that, because as a photographer, when you paint your home that's fresh, it's going to look better in photos. That's a given. Yeah.
That is right. Paint neutral tones, by the way, generally speaking, according to Zillow.
Key word there, neutral.
Neutral. Grays, beige, walls, white trim. Make sure the trim.
I don't. Yeah.
Okay.
Beige,
Well,
grays. Grays.
Paint the bathrooms terracotta brown. That's a Zillow color analysis report. Terracotta. I'm not sure about that, but that's what they say. It was also the 2023 color of the year. Could that? Maybe this was sponsored by the Terracotta Foundation. Could be.
The terracotta company.
All right. Paint kitchens pewter gray. Jot that down. Pewter gray.
Any gray.
Zillow paints lighter. Zillow paint study found mid-tone pewter gray is the best color for kitchens, fetching a premium of $2,553, while homes with a deeper graphite gray kitchen can sell for an estimated of $2,512 more. So it's
Zillow and their over analytics,
and we know this as we're a Zillow Flex team, so we know the analytics of this. Curb appeal, Zillow studies, landscaping. Landscaping was the most commonly completed projects. You want to paint your front door. Painting the door can have a big impact. Buyers prefer black front doors to those painted gray and would offer $300 more for a home with a mid-tone rosy brown front door. Don't ask me, folks. I didn't do the study.
It's a bunch of malarkey.
All right.
People that write articles for the sake of writing articles.
Paint your home exterior. Making the exterior pop. A new coat of paint can help. About 1 in 4 sellers complete this before selling, according to Zillow. Home smart technology. Report says 42% of buyers rate smart home technology is highly important. Add a smart thermostat, smart lights, LED lights. I just installed this thing, and I don't have a name for it. If you want, write me. You say, Amazon, turn the living room lights on, and the lights come on. You have to plug your lights into it, but it's really cool. I sit there just walking through the living room, go, Amazon, turn the living room lights on. And then they go on, and I walk out, I go, Amazon, turn the living room lights on. Or Alexa, it's not Amazon. Alexa, turn it off, turn it on. Okay.
She's listening either way. She'll do it.
I love it. Consider hands-free tech, right? 2002 study shows touchless toilets. I never heard of that. Deep clean flooring. At a minimum, clean the flooring. And the second most important project, 35% of sellers say doing it will help you sell your home. And correcting floor damage, buff out or refinish hardwood floors, especially if there are visible scratches. Those are the key things that are going to help you sell your home faster and for more money.